right, here we go. Say hi. Yeah, nothing. Whoa!
Well, that's a very big hill.
Oh, we're going up.
Well, that's nice. I'm sure we'll get a great view from here.
This is what I love. Oh, look up. Up and over. Up and over. Woo! There's people who swear it's upside down in that.
There are. I've heard of them before.
Oh my God! They accelerated that! Oh my God! They sped that up! They sped that thing up! Do you think so?
Yeah.
We launched coming out the hill!
They throw you down the mountain.
Yeah, they never threw you!
That's the back too.
Maybe that's it. It's my first time in the back.
Yeah.
But they threw you down the hill. I don't remember that at all. I've done this 100 times. Oh my God! That was faster. You think that was what you've done this a lot? Was that faster?
We wanted it like a half hour ago.
In the front.
It was faster in the back.
It was better in the back.
Oh, okay, so it is the back.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Woo! Whoa, baby. Oh man, that was awesome, baby. That was awesome. Oh my God. It seems faster. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. There we go. Come on out. Somebody come out. How long until someone comes out? Oh, you gotta get us out of here. Oh, there we go. There we go. That back row is killer. All right. Woo! All right, there you go. Expedition Everest.